Euclid's Elements, Book 3, Proposition 4. If in a circle two lines cut one another, which are not through the center, they do not bisect one another. So let there be circle ABCD, and so let these two lines, not through the center, cut one another. I say they do not bisect. This is a proof by contradiction, so we're going to start by assuming the opposite. So let's assume that they do bisect. Namely, let's assume that AC, let's call this point of intersection E, that AE is equal to EC, and that BE is equal to ED. And we'll show that this leads to some sort of logical contradiction. So the first thing we're going to do is find the center. So we can find the center of any circle using Prop 3, or Prop 1 of Book 3. So let it be F, and let's connect FE. Now what we see here is we have a line through the center bisecting both of these lines. And we know from Book 3, Prop 3, when a line through the center bisects a line, it does it at right angles. So FE is going to bisect AC at a right angle. So angle FEA will be a right angle. Using the same logic and the same prop, we can see that through the center line FE bisects line BD, and it will also do that at a right angle. So therefore, angle FEB is a right angle, and all right angles are the same. Therefore, these two angles are equal to one another. But we can clearly see that the red angle is only a part of the green angle. So this is the lesser, and this is the greater. But what we're saying is that the lesser is equal to the greater, that these two things are equal. So we are claiming that the lesser is equal to the greater, which of course is an absurdity, it's an impossibility. Therefore, the assumption that gave rise to this must also be rejected. Therefore, they do not bisect. We reject the assumption that they bisect, therefore they do not bisect. And that is what we are trying to prove. So we conclude QED.